What's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out a pair of earbuds absolutely packed with features usually found in models twice their price range. These are SoundPeats Air5 Pro. SoundPeats sent me these over for a review, and I've been testing them for over the past couple of weeks. We're talking active noise cancellation, transparency mode, gaming, high resolution audio, low latency gaming, and even Snapdragon Sound certification. So, do they live up to their hype? And who are these really for? Let's find out. Check it out. That's what came in the mail today. So, let's open it up and see what it's about. Right out of the box, you get the earbuds in this compact, very nice matte finish case, a USB-C charging cable, and a couple of extra sets of silicone ear tips. The build quality here is solid. I would even say it's seriously impressive. The case feels smooth and pocketable, and the earbuds themselves have a cool tone design with a glossy touch panel and a matte stem. Really a pleasure to hold them in your hands. Very nice. They're really light, comfortable. I've worn them for a couple of multi-hour sessions and had no fatigue. The fit is secure, good for workouts or runs, and they have an IPX5 rating, which means they're protected against sweat and water jets. So no need to worry if a little rain or intense gym workout session gets them a little wet. To get the pairing process started, first we have to get the earbuds out and remove the factory packaging, basically this plastic filming. Once you get it out of the packaging, you actually have to put it back in the case so that the case will recognize the earbuds. And when you see this white light blinking like this, it's ready to pair. So you can open your device. I'm using iPhone, but you can use whatever, it doesn't matter. And select SoundPeats Air5 Pro so that they can connect to each other. That's it, it's connected, and I'm good to go. All right, let's get to the most important part. How do they sound? And this is where the Snapdragon comes into play. Now, I have to be honest, if you're an iPhone user like me, you forget about the Snapdragon. It's not gonna actually do anything for you. It's really for the Android phones. But not always lost. On my iPhone, it sounds amazing still. So don't let that stop you. It's still quite an amazing product. In simple terms, Snapdragon Sound is a certification that ensures your phone, the Bluetooth chip, and the earbuds are all optimized to work together at their absolute best. For the Air5 Pro, this means you get support for the aptX adaptive codec, which can deliver high-resolution 24-bit 96 kHz audio quality. Okay, what does all this mumbo-jumbo actually mean for your ears? The sound signature is fantastic. It's well balanced with a really satisfying punch in the low end. Bass is deep and present, but not overpowering. The mids are clear, so vocals and guitar sound crisp, and the highs are detailed without being sibilant or harsh. So violin, I'm a violinist, violin sounds absolutely amazing. Trust me, I've tried, it's great, really solid sound. Next up, a crucial feature for any pro-level earbuds, active noise cancellation, or ANC. The Air5 Pro uses hybrid ANC, which means it uses both internal and external microphones to cancel out noise. They claim up to 43 decibels of reduction. Not bad. In real-world use, it's very effective. It drowns out the constant low-frequency hum of air conditioning, computer fans, and airplane engines incredibly well. It also takes a big bite out of chatter in a busy cafe. It's not quite as absolute as the industry leaders from Sony or Bose, but for the price, it's not bad. In fact, I think it's very impressive. And when you need to be aware of your surroundings, use the transparency mode. It's a pretty great feature. I use it all the time. It sounds natural and amplifies ambient sound so clearly that you can have a conversation or hear train announcements without taking the earbuds out of your ears. The switching between the modes is quick and easy via touch control. Up next, video games. I'll be honest, I'm not much of a video game player. I play violin instead. But gamers, this one's for you. These earbuds have a dedicated gaming mode. You can enable it through the app, and it drops the latency down to just under 80 milliseconds, which means the delay between what happens on the screen and what you hear is virtually eliminated. In shooters, gunshots or footsteps are perfectly in sync, giving you a real competitive advantage. I think it's a killer feature that many brands at this price point completely overlook. Okay, remember those mics used for ANC, active noise cancellation? They help you with phone calls too. They make your voice crystal clear on calls. SoundPeats uses AI ENC, which stands for environmental noise cancellation, to isolate your voice and suppress background noise like wind and traffic. People I've called have said, I sound clear, even when I was walking down a busy street or driving in my car. And you can customize everything through the SoundPeats app. It lets you update the firmware, tweak the sound with a custom equalizer, and reprogram the touch controls to your liking. It's a simple but powerful feature that really unlocks the full potential of these earbuds. I've actually tried them. It works. With active noise cancellation turned on, you're getting a solid 7 hours of playback from the earbuds themselves, and about 30 of total hours with the charging case. Now, with ANC off, that number jumps to about 8.5 hours. That's a fantastic battery life that will easily get you through a week of commutes or a long flight. And if you're in a rush, a quick 10-minute charge in the case will give you around 2 hours of listening time. The case charges via USB-C, and there's also support for wireless QI charging, which is an awesome bonus at this price, but I didn't test that. I don't know, couldn't speak for that. Okay, so who is this product for? After using these as my daily drivers for a week, here's the bottom line. The SoundPeats Air5 Pro are the definition of an all-rounder. They don't have one massive weakness. They're for the Android user who wants high-resolution audio without breaking the bank. They're for the commuter who needs effective, active noise cancellation and transparency. They're for the mobile gamer who can't stand audio lag. They're for anyone who appreciates a well-built, comfortable pair of buds with a great app and all the modern features. So let's recap the pros. Excellent, detailed sound quality with Snapdragon Sound, very effective hybrid active noise cancellation, solid battery life with wireless charging, super useful low latency gaming mode, great call quality and a useful app, comfortable, secure fit with IPX5 rating. And honestly, the cons are minor. Glossy touch panel is a bit of a fingerprint magnet, I think. And iPhone users like myself won't get the full Snapdragon Sound aptX adaptive benefit. They can still use the AAC, which sounds great, but it's not high res. The case, while nice, doesn't have the premium hinge, feel of a $250 pair, but that's to be expected. So are the SoundPeats Air5 Pro worth it? My opinion, absolutely. What SoundPeats has done here is package a flagship level feature set into a very affordable product. I think you'd be hard pressed to find something similar at this price. They're excellent in every category that matters. For the price, they're arguably one of the best value propositions in the market right now. If you're looking for a pair of new wireless earbuds that can do all of it, this should be very high on your list. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you find this review helpful. And if you have any questions, please drop me a comment below and I'll be glad to answer to anything I can. If you're interested in checking out SoundPeats Air5 Pro, I'll leave the link down below where you can get the best possible deal. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that you don't miss the next review video I'll post. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the flip side.